Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and in today's video I'm going to share a quick and easy recipe that is banana oats smoothie or oats banana smoothie. So let's get started. I'm going to use 1 cup instant oats, some chocolate spread, peanut butter, some milk and some frozen bananas. I'm going to grind the oats now. You can also check out my playlist of quick and easy breakfast recipes. Now let's add everything into the blender and make the smoothie. The smoothie is done. You can add some choco chips if it's available. Hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comment section you liked it or not. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.